What would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on. Hey guys, welcome back. You guys see what I have? I have me another bag from Pop Sewin. Now this one is inspired Dior saddle bag. Okay, so as you can see, I'm opening the box and I'm showing you all the goodies that come in the box. Everything that you need to put your bag together comes in the box. Okay, also, you're provided with a video that gives you the instructions on how to put each piece together, which piece goes with what, when you should be doing that piece, so forth and so forth. If you guys remember from the last one that I did, the last saddlebag that I did that one very in detail. So this one here, it was a lot more easier, and I would think is because of one of the reasons is because the leather itself, or the PU leather that is used, is softer. The other one that I did was a little bit was more stiff, like cow skin stiff. This one is PU and it's very softer, so it's easier to handle, and also it was less stitches. Okay, so it comes with everything that you need. It comes with 4 needles. It comes with the rubber to put on your finger to help you pull the needles through. This one also came with some clips where you can clip the parts together, and also it came with a scissors this time, so I had some little clippers it came with. I actually have these clippers with my sewing set, so I had used mine the last time, and I was surprised to see it this time in the kit. So somebody's listening. Okay, so guys, this is the video that you can watch step by step and see what is being done. I have the video in front of me. I'm seeing how to count out the thread and everything. Okay, so guys, just watch me put this back together and then see how it turns out in the end. Now this did take me, I want to say, total of 6 hours to put it together. I did do something wrong and I had to rip it back out. So that took up some time. Of course, you know, when you already finish and here you got to go start over. So, and that was because I wasn't following the video. I was like, oh, I know what to do next. Judith always thinks she knows what to do. So that took away some time, but I would say all in all, if you're doing this nonstop, it should take you about 4.5 hours to 5 hours to complete. So yeah, I was going to a boots on the ground event, you know what I'm saying, putting on all them cowboy shoes, cowboy hat, you know, looking all dixie. So this bag was the perfect bag for that event, a saddle bag. So I wanted to get it finished and ready for that. So guys, I'm not going to be talking through this. I am excited. You guys know how excited I get when I get to create my own stuff. So guys, the link would be down in the description. Again, there is a discount code that you can use. So take advantage. Don't forget to use the discount code. But on that note, guys, I will let you guys see me complete another bag. Okay guys, I was finishing my bag and I'm so happy because I'm going to a boots on the ground event and I wanted my saddle bag to go with, you know, like what? So the only thing is that it's new, so So I'm not getting it to stay. I'm not getting the magnet to stay yet. Like, I have to. Yeah, it's new, so the leather needs to break in. But this is the bag. This is her. This is she. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. So this is my outfit. I have on gold boots. This is so out of my comfort zone. I can't believe I have on gold boots. That ain't Judith. But she going to this event and she thinks she look cute. So I decided to put on these Ray-Ban shades. The other shades are some Amazon one. They're the color of the hat. And I don't know, it wasn't, it looks good, but these look better. So yeah. So okay guys, I have to go. I'm late. I'm about to go meet my girlfriend because we're about to ride together. And yeah. So my bag is not staying closed though. I gotta figure that part out. But this bag turned out so pretty. When I get back, guys, when I have some more time, I'm gonna give you guys a full
Tell me, which one you prefer?
of this, or maybe not. I don't know. I probably did it in the voiceover. But this is the first time I'm wearing the bag. I literally just finished it like an hour ago. And I look cute. Now I don't like my legs, so these little tassel things are hiding my legs and I'm loving it. Okay guys, let's go. The jewelry, I also got these from Shein. So Shein, my pants are Shein, my boots are Shein. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I forgot the TV was on. But yeah, this is my problem. Okay, it just stayed. I don't know if it's gonna keep staying. But yeah, so this is how I decided to go. And I'm getting out of here because I'm feeling myself at home. Listen, the perfume I'm wearing, bad bitch time. Bye guys, see you later. Okay guys, so this is the event that I was over 20,000. And it was in Lincoln, Georgia, at the racetrack stadium. Guys, it was a lot of walking, and it was piping. I'm so happy I had no makeup. And I see my face. No makeup was on my face, only lipstick. Because my friend's daughter had makeup on. Okay, I'm looking at the pictures now and I'm like, you look like you have makeup on. I literally have no makeup on. And I am so happy because it was so Hey guys, I'm at the pool with baby Zyla And I have to blow this thing up with my mouth because the pump don't work. She's over there. She's over there with her dad. And she's not having too much fun because he is such a like disciplinarian type, like, so he don't give her breathing space to do child things, if that makes sense. He don't let her take risk to do things. But I am here trying to blow up this thing, and it's taking me forever. And the water is cold, it said. So I had to get her out the house because she's making too much noise. She's driving me nuts. I want to lay here. I have a voiceover to edit that I made of some motivational quotes or speech or motivational stuff that you can probably listen to every morning to get yourself going. If you're feeling down during the week, you can listen to it. So I'm trying to put that together, and I said I would lay here and do that, but I want to go in the pool first. Just lay back, Zyla. Yeah, just lay back. Yeah, there you go. Okay, guys. Okay, I got some snacks. I got my coconut water. She got an icy in here, so I hope it's not melting. Yes, it is. So she needs to come and eat this. Because her icy's melting. I brought some snacks and stuff like that. Some fruits for her, icy, and a Go-Gurt for her. Let me wipe y'all off. This feels nice, guys, just laying here. Oh, it's relaxing. It's so relaxing. So, guys, how have your week been going? I can't believe I didn't walk with this. I have just realized this is my best bathing suit that I have. And I did not walk with it on the trip. I was supposed to start not detox, but a tea that I make. It has, I think I told you guys about it before. I was supposed to start it this week. You used it for like 10 days. But since I came off my trip, because, I was eating all kind of crap on that cruise. Jesus. But it's you put, I put in it. I don't have to put cloves in it, but I put cloves in it. Cinnamon, ground cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, lemon, and I'm missing something else. I'm always missing one of the two. Last time I was missing apple cider vinegar. Now I don't remember what else. So it's lemon, apple cider vinegar, ground cinnamon, and ginger. But I also add cloves. So you don't boil them, you boil the water. And then you throw the water on them, let it seep. You can add some honey for sweetening. Let it seep, and then you drink that. Okay? So it really helps with the tummy. and inflammation and stuff like that. So I like to drink that. You drink it like first thing in the morning. You can drink it at night too, but only for 10 days. After 10 days, you need to take a rest from drinking it, and then take a couple days rest, and then you can start back again. I started to drink it before I went on the cruise, but what happened? Oh, I started like, I only got to do like about 3 to 4 days of it, and I was seeing a difference, and I was feeling a difference as well. And I also drink okra water first thing in the morning. I think I showed you guys how to make the okra water already. So I drink that first thing in the mornings as well, and that helps with, you know, the dryness of your skin. It helps with your skin, make your skin glow a little better. It helps with your vaginal area, feeling really wet down there and stuff. Yeah, so it helps with a lot of other stuff too. But yeah, so I've been drinking that since I got back. I made the first batch. Today's the second time I've drank it. I already made my next batch to go in the fridge. So I reuse the same one. You can reuse the same batch of okra that you cut up for about I would say 3 days, and after that you can change it out. But I've went longer than that, and I still get the slime. So to me, once you're getting the slime, you're still getting the okra, you know, what the okra has to give you. Okay, so I've used it, I think, up to 4 days, and I was still getting the slime from it. I don't remember going beyond. I think I just decided to change it out, but I'm pretty sure you can go up to 5, or as long as you're getting slime from the okras. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing. And right now I just want to relax. I want to enjoy this time sitting here at the pool. I'm about to go in the water for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come out and start to listen to my audio so that I can edit it and everything and get that up for you guys. I know a few people are inspired with the quotes that I do at the beginning of the videos. So I've compiled them and added to them, and I am making a video of that. And I need to go and pee before I go in this pool. So let me go and do that, and then I will pick you guys back up later.
Get involved, okay? 3, 2, 1, go!
No holding hands, Zyla.
Why?
Because no holding hands. You can do it together. So finally, her dad had left, and she was able to do what she wanted to do. Like you see her.
Zyla, I wanted you to lean back like that and fall back.
Do it. He didn't believe she could. I took
I'm
videos
telling
and
her
sent it
I
to
wanted
him,
her to fall back.
and he was hysterical. And then he came back downstairs so that he can see it for himself, and he was so surprised. He's like, I didn't know she can actually walk. I say,
Just
yes,
fall
but
back,
you do not
Zyla.
give her
Back.
breathing space.
Turn around.
Run.
No, I want you to do the fall back. She don't listen, y'all. No, just Zyla. Finally, golly. Guys, this girl has been in the water since 2:45, 3 o'clock. And it's after 5 o'clock right now. Like, seriously. She took one for the road. Zyla, don't do that again. You could have hit your head. Don't do it again. That was dangerous.